Hello guys, how you doing? This is Joe with another installment of Ugly HP. Today we're going to be changing a thermostat on an '05 Chevy Trailblazer with a 4200 Vortec. First thing you're going to do is drain the cooling system, which I've already done, and we're going to have to take off the alternator. So pop the belt off and start taking the alternator off. I guess I should mention this too. Anytime you do anything with electronics on your vehicle, make sure you disconnect the negative battery terminal. And if you have noticed, I am smoking because that's required by law. But if you're an auto technician and a badass, you have to smoke cigarettes. Trying to do this the easiest way possible, but as always with auto mechanics, sometimes you just gotta try a different approach. Keep wrenching on it. All the more. Yes, sometimes these things can be a bit ridiculous. Like now I got my wrench stuck in there. Obviously it's been pinched on the hose or something. And I can't get it out. So when you go to take that bolt out, keep a mental note that you're going to have to put that in there along with it when you go to put it back in, because there's a hose in the way, and that's going to be quite difficult to try to maneuver around that. I'm going to see, but we might have to take this bracket off, which is probably a good idea to do it anyways, to get it out of the way. and this is what it's being replaced with. They're gonna give you a whole housing and everything with it. Really don't know why, because you could just take the thermostat out of the other one, but this is the way they come, so I'm not gonna argue with it. You're also going to want to do is you're just going to want to check, inspect the hole, see that the other thermostat will go back on there with its gasket and there won't be anything causing it to leak. I'm just going to scrape it with a razor blade real quick. That is an installed thermostat. And I'm pretty sure you guys don't need to see the rest of the video of how to put it back together, because all you got to do is just take the steps back to put it back together. Just remember that bottom bolt, and to make sure you don't tighten that nut crazy tight on the back of the alternator so you don't snap the post. As always, thank you for watching, and keep wrenching.